James Wood with Top Notch Irrigation, and today we're going to talk about the location of your backflow, which is the shutoff for your sprinkler system. We're going to talk about some valve issues and what we can do in case of emergency on those types of problems. Your sprinkler system is running non-stop and you need to shut off your sprinkler system. The backflow, the shutoff to the sprinkler system, is going to be within a 4 to 5 foot radius of your main water shutoff to your house. Now, if you have San Augustine grass, you may or may not be able to see your backflow in this rectangular box. So just take a long screwdriver and kind of stab around the area. And whenever you get on top of the backflow, you'll hear a thunk because you're hitting this plastic top. And then just peel away the San Augustine grass or whatever top grass you may have covering your backflow, and then lift it up, and right inside there will be your double check backflow. So what we have here is the main meter for your water source coming from the city, and here we have a couple of shutoffs. And this right here in the green rectangular box is your backflow, and the purpose of that is to prevent water from going backwards back to the city. And in the case of an emergency, if you ever need to turn off your sprinkler system, this backflow has 2 shutoffs on it, and you'll just turn one of the shutoffs vertical and then turn the other one vertical like that. In most cases, next to your backflow, within a couple of feet, you're going to have a master valve, and this valve basically protects the main line. And a lot of times what we'll find whenever we come up to a job where there's puddling of water by the backflow is the master valve bleed screw has become loose and needs to be tightened. And whenever a valve is leaking, a lot of times what happens is the bleed screw right here becomes loose. Just take a screwdriver or your hand and turn that screw until it's tight, and that will prevent it from leaking out the bleed screw. Also, you have a solenoid here that activates the valve. These wires here will go back to the controller to get the signal from the controller to open the valve. These valves are basically all the same out in the field. In most cases, you'll have a master valve next to your backflow that protects the main line on the entire sprinkler system. But a lot of times these will leak, and just tighten the bleed screw and also make sure the solenoid is tight. Hello, I'm James Wood with Top Notch Irrigation. Today we talked about backflow location, what its purpose is, how to locate it, and talked about master valves. If you have any questions, you can look at our website at irrigationproblems.com or contact us at 512-966-6300.